Today we will be making flipbooks. A flipbook is a book with a series of pictures that very gradually change from one page to the next, so that when the pages are turned rapidly, the pictures appear to animate. To make a flipbook, you will need paper or maybe sticky notes, a pen or a pencil, some coloring materials if you wish to color, and something to bind it together, maybe a rubber band or a binder clip. If you are using paper for your flipbook, you will likely need to cut the paper into several smaller pieces. Here I've taken about 4 sheets of paper and I have cut them into 40 smaller pieces that I have stacked together.
Once you have your flipbook set, decide on what you're going to animate. It can be very simple, like a bouncing ball, or something more complicated. Once you have your idea, start on the first page and draw an image. Then go to the next page and draw a slightly different image. Keep doing this as you go through your flipbook.
Once you have completed your images, the next step is to view your flipbook. Have fun animating, everybody!